Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Chai Color Creations. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this 3-panel piece, and I'm going to show you the techniques that I use so you can recreate this at home. For the first canvas, I choose colors of purple. So I use some lavenders, I use some violets, and I add some white and black here and there just to kind of accent the piece. What I do is I drop the paint onto the canvas in small dots, and then I use a palette knife to spread the paint on the canvas. I try to keep most of my movements in vertical and horizontal positions. Now, if you're doing this at home, you can pick any color that you want. Go ahead and pick something that matches the furniture that you have and kind of goes along with the color motifs that you already have in your home. Now trust me, this is a very simple design, but it's going to really look beautiful on any wall in your home. Now, I repeat the same steps from the first canvas onto the second one, but this time I decide to use colors of blue. For the third canvas, I try to blend the colors together, so I have blues and purples together, using the same repetitive technique of just using the palette knife to spread the paint in vertical and horizontal positions. From time to time, I'll add some streaks here and there, and I'll use the side of the blade just to kind of create some strong lines as well. Thank you for watching. It would mean a lot to me if you hit the subscribe button. I try to paint every single day, and I just want to share with you some of the cooler pieces that I do. I have a new piece coming out soon. I created a geode pattern using some gold leaf and some crystal stones, so look out for that one. Until next time, thank you again. Have a good one.